Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jessy on Globe. This week we have decided to take a road trip to an adventure campsite located on top of a mountain, enjoy the wilderness and have a refreshing, rejuvenating break. Let's go. Away from the noise and bustle of a city life, I'm going to take you on a road trip to the heart of nature. Welcome to this episode of A Cabin on the Mountain. We have decided to take a few days off and spend some time at Savli Farm's nature retreat and adventure camp. I think we all need to switch off from time to time, unplug and recharge. If you are planning a family getaway, do consider a little bit of everything. And if you get it right, you can have an experience you will cherish for years to come. This is your video for a nice, simplistic, uncomplicated getaway. The natural beauty of the place has been respected by the owners of the farm. We have reached at the top of the mountain where Savli Farms is located. Hi, we are at Savli Farm Retreat Center and camping site, adventure camping site here at Perched. As you can see, they have these different kind of accommodation. They provide us with equipments to perform various activities, and food is also included in the package. They have many safe, enjoyable activities planned. The longest zip line in Maharashtra is available here, 800 meters long. So anybody who is looking for a thrilling experience that only nature can provide, so this is the best place to come to. Very much affordable. You can come as a group, you can come as a couple, so very much enjoyable. Let's go and enjoy this beautiful scenic location. I will take you around with me and show you the different activities we have involved in. This is right at on top of the mountain. On one side it is covered. There is the forest, and on the other side we have the village, and at the foot of the mountain there is a river flowing. Beautiful landscape, absolutely beautiful landscape. It's the monsoon season, it's all green around us, and sky above us. Absolutely beautiful. All across you can see the mountain ranges. Okay guys, so now let me show you the cabin that we have booked. So in this property they have many individual houses over here, and then we have a container kind of accommodation and tents, and what we have booked is this wooden AC cabin. They have, at the moment they just have this one wooden cabin. It's quite cozy and comfortable, and they have maintained it pretty well. Let me show you inside. So this is the wooden cabin that we have. It can accommodate around 5 to 6 people, and they have the washroom within this cabin itself. We have a lot of activities planned in the package. You can choose as per your interest. We tried our hand in rifle shooting, in archery. It was so much exhilarating doing these activities under an open sky. The other activities you can do is basketball, badminton, volleyball, indoor games such as carom, jenga, mini golf. All these activities are free. You can perform n number of times. I believe that being together, having fun and laughter in an outdoor environment is all designed to recharge and renew you. And you can also plan your own games. If you're traveling with a group, bring your own games with you. It will be so much fun. They have the space and the staff is all very cooperative. They will help you set up the games too. The farmhouse can also help you to organize events, and we had planned our wedding anniversary on the farmhouse. They help with the food, the cake. This is from the local bake house. Absolutely delicious cake and visually stunning. It was a small cozy affair. Everybody had lots of fun and truly a day to remember. Our cabin was east facing, and this is the early morning view on day 2. Hi everyone, it's early morning the next day and it is so beautiful, so serene. You can hear the sound of the birds chirping, the insects, absolutely beautiful. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, just waiting for the sun to rise. It's just acres and acres of green calm, green space. They also have a cricket turf, and for all those cricket enthusiasts, you can try your hand on this turf. You have the option of mountain biking, cycling in this beautiful, pristine, scenic environment is so much peaceful and truly enjoyable. For those looking for exhilarating activity, you can try your hand at the longest zip line in Maharashtra, or at 800 meters long. You have the option of mini boating too. They provide all these activities in a very safe environment, which is a very plus point. The instructors are very cooperative. They give you all the required instructions. All the safety measures are in place. You can try your hand at the ATV ride. It's said that your health and well-being increases exponentially by engaging in nature-based activity. The food here is excellent. That is another plus point. It is homely, healthy, and really excellent. Along the way, we also caught the rainbow. It was the monsoon season. A sight to behold. After a scrumptious dinner, it was time to call it quits. This is the way to our cabin. It is lined with lights. So relaxing. We enjoyed all the sensory experiences that nature could offer. We would truly recommend you to plan a trip like this whenever possible. And for all the Mumbai folks, Savli Farms is a place you could try, you could explore. Outdoor recreation is a must. It is peaceful and stimulating at the same time. At the end of it, you feel a little bit more happier, little bit more healthier, and a little bit more energized. The next instance you have for holidays, plan out outdoor recreation. with your friends, with your families. It is truly rewarding. Stay tuned for more such videos on our channel. Keep watching. Share this video to everyone. Until next time, bye-bye.
இரவில் ஒன்றே ஒன்றா மனதில் சென்றதென தேடி உன்னை தேடி பறக்கும் பறவை ஒன்றா விரியும் அழகு என்ற போலி